speaking of social robots, have you heard about Tesla Bot, the humanoid robot?
Yes, I have. Yes. But I don't exactly know what it's designed to do. Do you? You probably do.
No, I know it's designed to do, but I have a different perspective on it. But it's designed to, it's a humanoid form, and it's designed for automation tasks in the same way that industrial robot arms automate tasks in the factory. So it's designed to automate tasks in the factory. But I think the humanoid form, as we were talking about before, is one that we connect with as human beings. Anything legged, honestly, but the humanoid form especially, we anthropomorphize it most intensely. And so the possibility, to me, it's exciting to see both Atlas, developed by Boston Dynamics, and anyone, including Tesla, trying to make humanoid robots cheaper and more effective. The obvious way it transforms the world is social robotics to me, versus automation of tasks in the factory. So yeah, I just wanted to, in case that was something you were interested in, because I find its application in social robotics super interesting.
We did a lot of work with Pepper the robot a while back. We were like the emotion engine for Pepper, which is SoftBank's humanoid robot.
And how tall is Pepper? It's like,
yeah, like I don't know, like 5 foot maybe, right?
Yeah.
Pretty big.
Yeah.
Pretty big. And it was designed to be at like airport lounges and, retail stores, mostly customer service, right? Hotel lobbies. And I mean, I don't know where the state of the robot is, but I think it's very promising. I think there are a lot of applications where this can be helpful. I'm also really interested in, social robotics for the home, right? Like that can help elderly people, for example, transport things from one location of the home to the other, or even like just have your back in case something happens. I don't know. I do think it's a very interesting space. It seems early though. Do you feel like the timing is now?
Yes, 100%. So it always seems early until it's not, right?
Right.
I think the time, I definitely think that the time is now, like this decade, for social robots. Whether the humanoid form is right, I don't think so. No, I don't. I think like if we just look at Jibo as an example, I feel like most of the problem, the challenge, the opportunity of social connection between an AI system and a human being does not require you to also solve the problem of robot manipulation and bipedal mobility. So I think you could do that with just a screen, honestly. But there's something about the interface of Jibo where it can rotate and so on that's also compelling. But you get to see all these robot companies that fail. Incredible companies like Jibo and even the iRobot in some sense is a big success story that it was able to find
and a niche
thing and focus on it. But in some sense, it's not a success story because they didn't build any other robot. Like any other, it didn't expand into all kinds of robotics. Like once you're in the home, maybe that's what happens with Amazon is they'll flourish into all kinds of other robots.